What are you doing with the chicken? Oh, you're such a good mommy. What do you say to the chicken? After you give him the blankie. Whoa! Oh no! What happened to the chicken? Did he go boom? What do you need? Is that hard? Oh no! It's a heavy chicken. Boom. You got your blankie? Night, night, chicken. You gonna sing the chicken a song? Oh, good morning. Oops, what happened to the chicken? Huh? How did that happen? Oh no, the chicken's laying down. The chicken must be really tired. Now he really needs to go night-night. What do you think? Oh, he's heavy. That silly chicken. Why did he lay down? Wake up, chicken. Wake up. Come on, chicken. You're gonna tickle the chicken? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. I got you, chicken. Time to wake up. Do you want some help? Okay. Get him back up. There. Time for night-night again. Uh-oh. Night-night.